Good morning, dear student. Today in class 5 history, we have started the lesson evolution of transport and already invention of the wheel and beginning of transport we have discussed. Okay, so in the previous video I had discussed the invention of the wheel made the land travel easier and faster. Up to here I had discussed. Okay, so from today onward I will start from the next part. It also improved the life of early human beings. That is, transportation made people life easier. Now they can move from one place to another and with heavy loads without any difficulty. So it improved the life of the early human beings. It is said that the wheel was the first used by potters. Okay, so potter's wheel. Okay, for making clay pot. Uh, so it is said that the wheel was first used by the potters in order to make pottery of different shape and size. Now Deepavali time is there, and potters, okay, they make diyas, okay, from mud, okay, and if you go to any potter's house, you will see this wheel, okay, potter's wheel, and how they with a wooden stick they rotate this wheel, and in the center they put the clay, and with their hand they give a shape to the pots. Okay, if you have seen any potters, and even if you have not seen, you can ask your parents, they can take you, and you can see that how with the help of a wheel the potters make pottery. The use of wheels for transportation was done later on. Afterward, this wheel was used for transportation. The first evidence of wheeled vehicles appeared in the second half to the 4th millennium BC in Mesopotamia and Central Europe. So, the first time that wheeled vehicles, that is cart, which was pulled by animals or by humans, okay, they had wheeled, and this appeared in Mesopotamia and Central Europe between second half to 4th millennium BC. Undoubtedly, the invention of the wheel brought lots of changes in humans' day-to-day life. So this invention of wheel brought about a lot of changes, okay, in the day-to-day life of the people. After the wheel was invented, people started using carts to transport goods and chariots or bullock carts to travel. Okay, so even today, bullock carts are used for traveling or for carrying loads in villages. Okay, so it was a means of transport. Chariots, you must have seen chariots, which is used for in the battleground. Okay, that is, chariots are driven by horses. Okay, or other animals. So this when wheel was invented, people started using carts to transport goods and chariots or bullock carts to travel. Even boats with oars were invented to travel in water bodies. Horses were also popular. Later, they became very common during the medieval period. Okay, so horses were the most common animal that was used, and later on, they became very common during the medieval period. So, this is about invention. Then, transportation in Middle Ages. Transportation in the Middle Ages was not much advanced. Okay, so during the Middle Age time, transportation was there, but it was not much advanced as modern age nowadays. People mainly traveled on foot, horses, mules, or cart. Okay, so people um, generally the means of transport or traveling was by walking, foot, by on horses. Okay, either cart or chariot drawn by horses or sitting on the horse itself, mules, pack animals, or carts. However, traveling by water was a lot more efficient since there weren't any roads yet. Okay, so there was no road, and at that time, and traveling by water was more easy. Okay, by the help of boat or ship. Traveling by road water was a lot more efficient since there weren't any roads yet. Middle age boats were made of wood and most were powered by wind, okay, by the help of the sail. Other than that, vehicles such as wagons were used to haul heavy loads around. You can see the meaning of wagons and haul at the back. Okay, over here it is given. You can see uh, a wagon. Where is wagon? Wagon. A wheel, a vehicle used for transporting goods or other purposes. And haul means pull or drag with effort. Okay, so this is about then a major change in the transportation happened in the age, okay, in this age. In 400 AD, the muddy tracks were replaced by roads. When roads were started, construction of roads started, and muddy roads were replaced by good roads. With the rising popularity of wheeled carts, smooth roads were very much needed as wheels could not roll over shaky or unstable ground. Okay, so when roads were made, then wheeled cart became easy to run on the smooth roads. The rise in transportation in the Middle Ages allowed for an increase in trade and travel throughout Europe. Okay, so transportation system improved in the Middle Ages, which allowed an increase in trade and travel throughout Europe. Even the transportation at sea flourished in the Middle Ages. Okay, so in the Middle Ages, transportation by sea also flourished. Many inventions helped render transportation at sea much more doable. Then transportation by both land and sea during this time was integral to the booming economy and major innovations that resulted in the eras after the Middle Ages. Okay, so these words which are written in blue, you can see the meaning. It is given at the back of the chapter. Okay, so today we will discuss up to here, and then modern transport we will discuss next class. Means modern means of transportation. Okay, till then, thank you. Take care. Read the lesson. Okay, see the video, read the lesson, and try to understand it. Okay, till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.